It's a new 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In the face of the most challenging terrain, this Alfa Romeo stands tall. Stelvio is a high-performance SUV with the heart and soul of a hero. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Alfa Romeo has a storied history of building racetrack-inspired vehicles for the street. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Contact Jim Ellis Mazda of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located at 5855 Peachtree Industrial Boulevard.